Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent structure. The molecule contains a benzene ring as the parent aromatic system. Step 2. Identify substituents. Two substituents are present on the benzene ring. A carboxylic acid group, COOH, attached directly to the ring. B. A trichloromethyl group, CCl3, attached directly to the ring. Step 3. Determine positions. Regiochemistry. The two substituents are in a meta 1,3 relationship to each other on the benzene ring, as shown by the structural drawing. Step 4. Apply IUPAC nomenclature rules when naming a substituted benzoic acid. The COOH carbon is C1 by convention. The CCl3 group is at C3 meta position. The substituent CCl3 is named trichloromethyl. Therefore, the full IUPAC name is 3-trichloromethyl benzoic acid. Step 5. Verify the prefix 3 indicates meta substitution. Trichloromethyl describes the CCl3 group, and benzoic acid denotes the benzene ring bearing the carboxylic acid as the principal characteristic group. All structural features match. Therefore, the correct answer is 3-trichloromethyl benzoic acid. The correct answer is shown on screen.